The industry agrees that a very important component in understanding production drivers is well spacing. So why else is well spacing important for the industry? Well, it's one of the most influential design inputs that an operator can use to control their well production, unlike things like geology. That's why Novi's machine learning platform incorporates multi-dimensional well spacing features as part of its predictive tools. Novi gives users self-service tools to configure what boundaries and what are the geometries that should be used when considering well spacing. And then Novi calculates the well spacing for each individual well in 4 dimensions, geometrically and in time series. As you can see from this example, part of the configuration for users is defining what is that radius of investigation for well spacing. This includes lateral and vertical distancing. And then as a result of this, Novi will also generate these spacing features in a time series based on the cadence that the user inputs in their configuration. The result of this is Novi will provide over 50 features tracking all of the neighbors in different zones, both lateral, stagger, and stack, and provide every geometric component and every dimension of those well spacing features. And this gives the user the flexibility to define what wells should and should not be lateral neighbors. To give an example, this white well here represents the well of interest. And then as you can see, there are multiple neighbors in different zones or different quadrants. And Novi provides every geometric feature for spacing relative to every neighbor that's observed to this well of interest. This empowers users to have well spacing features to represent their intended design choices on optimizing their pad development. And then ultimately, this lets users have accurate forecasts based on the well spacing design choices that they make.